Myself is Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bandar. My subject is maintenance of electrical equipment. So in this video you will learn about practical number 7, which is perform the open circuit and short circuit test on the single phase transformer and determine its performance, that is regulation and efficiency. So open circuit test, it is used to estimate iron losses, transformation ratio and parameters of magnetizing branch of equivalent circuit. It is determined by applying rated voltage to the low voltage winding and keeping the high voltage winding open. So first we will see the connection for this open circuit test. So by this circuit diagram, make the connection. So first auto transformer, single phase auto transformer is connected across this voltmeter. So connect, this is auto transformer and this is your voltmeter. So you can see the yellow wire. So positive terminal of this auto transformer is connected to voltmeter's positive terminal and negative terminal of this auto transformer is connected to negative terminal of this voltmeter. So voltmeter is connected to parallel with auto transformer. Next connection is connect this voltmeter positive terminal to ammeter's positive terminal. So you can see this connection, which is also given in your manual. So voltmeter's positive terminal is connected to ammeter's positive terminal, then ammeter negative terminal is connected to wattmeter's M terminal. So ammeter's negative terminal is connected to wattmeter's M terminal, this wire, and then connect M and C terminal. So connect MC short, and this L is connected to low voltage winding. So we are selecting 0 to 120 volt. So see, L terminal is connected to this low voltage winding, and second terminal of this winding is connected to V terminal of this wattmeter, and then wattmeter's V terminal is connected to voltmeter's negative. So this connection is also you can see in your circuit diagram. So this L terminal is connected to winding and second terminal of this winding is connected to V terminal of this wattmeter, and this V terminal is connected to voltmeter's negative terminal. So this is your connection for LV winding, and for HV winding you have to connect the voltmeter. So this is your high voltage winding, that is 230 volt is connected to second voltmeter. So we have made this connection. Now start the practical. Apply voltage up to the rated voltage, which is 120 volt. So you have to give supply up to 120 volt and note down this reading. This is your no load current and no load wattage, which is very small. Then switch off the supply. You have to make the connection for short circuit test. So connect auto transformer in parallel with this voltmeter. So connect auto transformer with the voltmeter. Then voltmeter positive terminal is connected to ammeter. So voltmeter's positive terminal is connected to ammeter. Then ammeter negative terminal is connected to M terminal of the wattmeter, MC short. Then L is connected to high voltage side, that is 230 volt, and this second terminal of this winding is connected to V terminal of this wattmeter, and V terminal of this wattmeter is connected to negative terminal of this voltmeter. So this voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter is connected to HV side, and we have to short this LV winding for short circuit test. So for measuring short circuit current, we can connect one ammeter. So LV winding, which is 120 volt, is connected with this ammeter. You can see the connection, 10 ampere to common and ammeter. So for this short circuit test, we have to follow this precaution. First is all electrical connections should be neat and tight. Wires used for circuit connections have proper size and insulation cover. Make sure that main switch is off position while making connections. Due care must be taken while taking reading in OC test to avoid any accidents. Open terminals of HV winding are at high voltage, and this is for high voltage, that is open circuit test. And for short circuit test, it is extremely important to note that a low voltage is to be applied to the HV winding during SC test. So for short circuit test, you have to increase the voltage slowly and apply the voltage according to your rated current. So rated current is 4 ampere. So apply the voltage up to only rated current. So slowly you have to increase your voltage, as it is short circuit test. So 4 ampere, and then note down the reading. So for small voltage you will get 4 ampere reading. So note down these readings and calculate parameters of equivalent circuit. First switch off the supply, and then you have to do the calculations. So these are your calculations for this test. Total resistance referred to HV side, R02 is equal to WSC upon ISC square. X02 is equal to root of Z02 square minus R02 square. Next you have to calculate the efficiency, and these calculations according to your readings. So by using this data from open circuit and short circuit test, you can calculate the equivalent circuit components. Thank you.